In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the ClickUp app for free, whether you're organizing a project, tracking tasks, or collaborating with your team. Having ClickUp as a desktop application can streamline your workflow, keeping all your productivity tools in one place. So let's dive into the process. First, we need to open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in ClickUp and press Enter. What you're looking for is the official ClickUp website, which should be one of the top search results. Click on that link to go directly to the ClickUp homepage, where you'll find an array of productivity tools designed to optimize your work management processes. Once you've landed on the ClickUp website, the next step is to navigate to their download section. Look for a link, usually found in the menu at the top or in the resources section, marked for app downloads. As you hover over this, you'll see options for different platforms. In this case, because we are looking to install it on your desktop, select Mac and Windows. This will guide you to the page where you can choose the operating system you need the app for. After clicking on Mac and Windows, you'll be presented with options for both Mac and Windows. Since we're focusing on getting this app on Windows today, you'll want to click on Download for Windows. This link initiates the download process for the ClickUp installer specific to the Windows operating system. Once you click Download for Windows, you may need to wait a few moments for the download to begin, depending on your internet connection. You'll see a prompt or notice somewhere on your screen, typically at the bottom of your browser, indicating that the download is in progress. If you encounter any issues with downloading, make sure your internet connection is stable and check that your browser settings allow downloads from the internet. As soon as the download completes, open the downloaded file to start the installation process. You'll likely see a setup wizard pop up, guiding you through the installation. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and within a few clicks, ClickUp will be installed on your computer. And there you have it, the ClickUp app installed right on your desktop, ready for you to dive into managing your tasks and projects more effectively. This provides the perfect way to have everything available at your fingertips without needing to open a browser every time. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from having ClickUp handy on their desktop. Stay productive and enjoy exploring all the functionalities that ClickUp has to offer.